nagpapakita na ang duck. Ayan, duck and chicken. So, we're going here. We're trying Mr. Duck Galbi. Kasi, eto daw ang specialty dito sa Nami Island. Kahit sa ang restaurant naman daw, they serve duck galbi. So, you can try. But siguro dahil meron ditong chicken, baka ito masarap. Yeah, let's try this. At saka may tao naman. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, pataas mali yung pinanigang ko. Okay. 안녕하세요. 3? Can we sit there? Okay, thank you. Ooh, and we also have a view of the river. Yan. Ang hinahanap naming cherry blossom ay ayan lang sa tabi namin. You get to cook your own barbecue. Binigyan kami ng instructions how many minutes you have to turn it. And then, if maubos na yung mga side dish, you can just come here and free ang side dishes, unlimited. And then, they also have free coffee. Ang saya kasi may free seafood soup. Seaweed. Free seaweed soup. So this is the seafood soup. Ay, hindi pala seafood. Seaweed soup. Usually, sinaserve to o ginagawa nila kapag ka may birthday. Lasang seaweed. Sarap. Ayan, natapos na kami. Napakasarap ng kain namin at napakabait ng mga may-ari. Si Mr. and Mrs. Galbi. Duck Galbi. From outside, you can see the restaurant is very prominent. So, it's just near the tour bus section and that one of the zip line. Sasuggest namin wag na kayo mag-join ng tour kasi wala kaming nakitang mga nagtutour na kumain dito. Hindi nyo ma-enjoy yung local delicacies